Hello guys, welcome to Techno-Tech YouTube channel. In this video we'll show you how to fix print misalignment and poor image quality issue on Kyocera 5054 Ci photocopier. Calibrating a Kyocera printer is essential to ensure accurate and consistent print results. Calibration adjusts the printer's settings to match the specifications for color, density, and alignment. This process helps in achieving optimal print quality by minimizing variations and discrepancies in color reproduction and print alignment. Regular calibration is particularly crucial in professional environments where color accuracy and precision are paramount, such as in graphic design or printing high-quality images. It ensures that the printer produces reliable and consistent output, meeting the desired standards for various printing tasks. Thanks for watching. If you learn anything in this video, please give a like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions,